Hey, welcome to another edition of Just Try It DIY. We got some work to do on this 2005 Equinox. We got some bumper work to do. Yeah, that looks pretty nice, but oh, yeah, that don't look good at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to take off this bumper cover. We got a little bit of work to do underneath, new lights go in, and let's get started. All right, so first to start off, we're gonna go ahead and get this push bar here out of the way in the front of it, and then we'll start finding out which pieces we need to take off the grill. And then we have an inner fender to put in on that side, and both of those do need to be taken off a little bit in order to get everything tied together. So. All right, so we're gonna start taking out the inner fender, and they got these little push-in type screws. This is a great little tool for doing this. You can get in there, start prying that top part of it loose first, get around it, and you gotta start pulling that piece up out of there. And of course, there we go. Once you get that piece pulled out, then you can go underneath the rest of it and pull it the rest of the way out. That screw, this push in there pushes in and then widens this out so it stays in. So you got to pull this piece out in order for this to pinch shut and pull back out. So I'm going to continue going and take that. All right, so we got that inner fender out. Now we're going to work, we worked on the grill here. There's those same push-in bolts that are on the top. We got those pulled out. Get this taken off. There's a couple of those same bolts here again. Those are out. Now we're going to work back on this other side and a couple of screws over there. And there's a couple on the bottom that are underneath. And this seems to be about ready to come off. So we'll see what it looks like when we got it taken off. All right, so we did get all the bolts and stuff out of the bottom too. So it looks like we could take this thing off. Won't need that no more. So now we can put on a new one. Luckily, we were able to find another bumper, same color from a junkyard. And it should fit right back into place. We'll start putting all the screws and everything back in, just the same way we took them out. All right, so we got everything tied back together on the bumper here. Everything's good to go. Of course, since the car has been hitting the driver's front corner here, everything's not quite lining up perfect, but it does look considerably better than it did with that big old hole over there in the corner. So hey, hope you liked the video. Go down, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Later.